that that much. I want it to be like this, and then I want it to, when it ends, to be here. Right there. Okay, so I want to do a different effect than what I did in the previous project, project 1. Okay, the reason for that is this is going to be at the end of the video. Instead of the beginning, we're going to do this at the end. Okay, but I want to build this out right now so it's done, and then we're ready to go. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go here. Let's go to transform. Let's scale it to 0. Okay. Let's go 2 seconds in, and let's make it 100%. Okay, maybe not 100%. Let's kind of shrink it down a little bit. Hold shift so it keeps the aspect ratio right there. Okay, now I'll go home. We'll hit play, spacebar. There you go. And then what we'll do is, so here it shows where it's supposed to be. Here's the point where we can mess with the opacity. Okay, so let's take it down to 0. Okay, now what that will do is this. When it comes into play, okay, maybe not. Hold on. Let's put 100% here. So we'll bring it in. Boom, there it is. And then it fades away. Okay, so this, I want to take this to 6 seconds. And then let's go to home. So let's try again. Bring it in. And then it fades away. So maybe instead of the opacity deal, we just do, well, we can just do that. Let's just do that. We'll do 4 seconds. So at this point right here, we should be at 100%. Actually, I'm going to undo that. So let's just try this and see how it looks. Okay, I honestly don't like that. So I'm going to get rid of the opacity keyframe. And what we're going to do is we'll bring it in. And actually, I need to adjust it to 100%. Okay, now when I bring it in, we have Learn Tech, right? And then at this point, let's adjust the position. Okay. So we'll stop right there, and I'll just have it go to the left. Now let's try that. There you go. Now, like it, don't like it, it's up to you. You can change this however you want. I've shown you kind of the fundamentals of how to do that. So there you go. We've added the logo, and we've also animated the logo. So the next video, I was going to animate the video or the logo. We will. Okay. There you go. Okay. So we've animated the logo. We've added the logo, I should say. Now we're going to animate the logo in the next video. We have animated it here, but there you go. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.